Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Luke here, hope you're all doing well. In this video, as the title says, what are the tricks of beating opioid withdrawal? So, if you've watched my previous videos, I'm currently going through opiate withdrawal. I've gone through buprenorphine withdrawal as well. So, I've done both. To start off the video, buprenorphine is not the way to go. Okay, I know people think I'm not slating it, because this is how I see it. Okay, if you're addicted to pain medicine, don't go buprenorphine route. Okay, that is for hardcore heroin addicts. That's the only time you should go on that drug, because the withdrawal from that, and I took 8 milligrams only for 3 weeks, I could not move for a month. So, I'm not slating it. I'm just saying, opiate withdrawal is so much better. It's not better. It's, you know what I mean. But, yeah, it was tough. Very, very tough, buprenorphine. So, tips and tricks. Okay? The saving grace and how to beat opiate withdrawal is kratom. Kratom, if you haven't heard, is a leaf from Asia. Okay, not a lot of people have talked about it, but they have with opiate withdrawal. It will take away your withdrawal symptoms. So if you're watching this and you're going through opiate withdrawal, I'm telling you now, it will take away 95% of your withdrawal symptoms. Okay, go for the red strain, and I promise you will beat it. Okay, that is the biggest trick for opiate withdrawal, is having kratom. It acts like an opioid. It binds to the same opiate receptors, and then in theory your brain thinks you're taking an opioid, so it's tricked it when you're not. Take that for a week. This is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm going to take it for a week and then come off the kratom. Apparently, because if you take kratom more than a week or a bit longer, you can get withdrawal from that, and it's a bit like opioids. Apparently you don't feel like death though, but take it for a week, then come off it, and you're done. Easy as that. The only thing I've struggled with is going to work still on kratom. It's still hard, because you still, even if your symptoms are gone, I don't know if you're out there and you're listening, when you take opioids, it's a habit, and it got you through work, and then when you don't have it, you just can't enjoy work, if that makes sense. But yeah, definitely go the kratom route. I tried the green strain today, that was very good. This is a naughty trick, but if you haven't got kratom, and you, like, I know you can't sleep, you get the chills, take a bit of the pain medicine you're addicted to, a little bit before bed, and then your brain will sleep. So you're in theory just weaning down for the night, if that makes sense. That's quite a good trick, because then you can get some sleep. Okay, but I know the guilt comes with it that you're relapsing again, but if you've got the right mindset to do it, do that, because you will get a good kip. I think that is actually the worst side effect, I think, from opiate withdrawal, is that creepy crawly. You know what I'm going on about? That smelly funk you get. You stink, and your clothes just reek, don't they? Another very good tip: washing your clothes before you start opiate withdrawal. So put your comfiest clothes, put them, because you will sweat, and I'm telling you now, you will sweat. You will sweat. So best thing to do, get loads of clean clothes. When you have a shower, also when you have a shower, you will go in, it'll be all right, you'll come out and you're absolutely freezing, and then you wrap up 20 clothes because you're that cold, and then you sweat. Now, it's just your body temperature not getting used to the surroundings. So don't just put 20 layers of clothes on when you get out of the shower, because you'll just sweat again. Okay, so keep the clothes to a minimal, comfy as clothes. Watch a lot of films, video games. It keeps the brain going, and it will help, I promise you. Even if you just feel like you don't want to watch it, put Netflix on, just sit and watch loads of movies. 5 days of withdrawal to change your life, that's it. 5 days, okay? And I'm going through it now. I don't feel that bad. I'm on Kratom though, so you have to go get Kratom. It honestly acts like an opioid. If you're skeptical, please message me. I can tell you what to take, how to take it. I will do a video taking the Kratom. But please, go down that route. Like, why when you want to try something that acts like an actual opioid receptor and binds up, it's just tricking your brain, but you're not having opioids. So it's a very good route. But I'm on day 2 now of the withdrawal. Better stuff out. But yeah, don't go down the buprenorphine route. That withdrawal was tough. Really, really, really tough. Like, buprenorphine is for like hardcore heroin addicts, I think. If you're on codeine, you don't switch to buprenorphine because the doctors don't tell you how strong that stuff is. And it is strong. It's like twice as strong as morphine. Why would you want to go from codeine, that's a really low opiate, and put buprenorphine in your system and then you letharge it for a whole month? It just doesn't make sense. Don't do it. It's not helping you. It's making it worse. But yeah, take care, guys. I'll upload another video soon. I hope you sleep well.